Now, the first part is the easiest part, because we're going to need something to work with here. So we're going to work with x plus y to the sixth. And the reason I picked number 6 is because it gets a pretty long string of numbers and terms out there so that we can actually see what the pattern is. So the number of terms is always going to be whatever the exponent is plus 1. So if we expand this, how many terms are we going to have?
7.
7, that's correct. All right, so next one. Here we go. Mission tool number 1, your binomial theorem. So we're going to expand the term, and like I said, this is the easiest part of the process. We're going to use this equation to do that. And you're probably thinking, wait, that's way too hard to remember. Well, there is an easier way, so don't worry about it. The first thing you do is you start off by writing the x's, and you put all the x's out here. And you say, okay, it's x plus y to the 6. So we go 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. What's something to the 0 power, Eric?
Something what?
Oh, very good. There's your pack of gum. Now, do not chew this in class, but you can chew it afterwards. You pay attention in class, you answer something right, you may get a prize. All right? So, that's the first step. The second step is we do the same thing to the y's, except we flip them around. So y starts off at 0 and goes all the way up to 6. Then we can combine these two and we get xy pairs. Now, you can skip, if you don't want to do it, you can take xy pairs and you can do the same thing that I did in here in 2 different steps. You can combine the steps just to make one. A lot easier. The only thing that you have to realize is that all of the exponents add up to the same number. So what do these two add up to?
6.
What do these two add up to?
6.
That's an excellent way to check your work. So if you ever have to expand these things, you want to make sure, God, did I get them all? Add up the exponents. If they all equal 6, you got it right. All right, here we go. That wasn't too hard, was it? Now, I'd like to congratulate you because you guys have just used the binomial theorem. That scary looking equation, that's all it says to do.